Greetings of love, Wickie Wackie. Gonna play some roots rocking reggae music for you tonight. I wanna say big up everybody who come out and support Wickie Wackie all these years, you know. All the entertainers, you know, friends, family, loved ones. This next one goes something like this. Rastafari.
About life, what's the cause of all the war and strife? And if you think about it,
Wickie Wackie, I'm telling you something. A little poetry, check that style. Wanna listen to me, listen what I'm listen. The hole in the world is getting wider. 10 million mass grave may not be your answer. Lords and gods, I'm looking for a master. But if you take a keen look, you will see the viper. Speeding up night and day, soon there will be none. I hope you're making a moon and making a sun. Say to those words, I have a friend by the name of Dubmaster Lynch. He's a poet over the years where them man they do me in a reggae music and in a Rasta scene. So Dubmaster, we're on the last part. Listen again now. When said, the red man and the white man is at it again. When the black man, I gonna stop big friend. Race around steadfast, I rather run dead last. See, yes, Jah. Ooh, yes, Jah knows. I them good. Say that when they not have the kingdom. We need worldwide love, so not to get any God. Why we never need them bomb? No, we never need them. Yeah, no. I said I hold my girl, you come and buy them first. Tree, enemy a rule them. Tree, cemetery a fool them, Lord. No, no, no. Ooh, good girls and steal it a fool them. I watch it vampire does a screw them up. Say oh no, listen. Remember I and I is ancient of days. Remember I and I was here before these ways. Remember I and I will always be around. Remember I and I the sound we never need them good. And I say that the humanity. Yes, we need the world wide love. And not the jelly bring it down. Yes, we never need them back. No, we never need them. Yes, Jah, Jah. I said the whole wide world. Come on by them serpents. Yes, Wickie Wackie, roots rocking reggae music. Kick it off.
wanna get back, no, wanna stay, no, wanna stay now. Yes, I get back, yes, I know. Yes, I'm gonna be running on the way. Yes, Wickie Wackie, so I want to take a moment and big up my mom and dad inside the house. Make some noise for them. Now, mommy! You know, the whole family there, man. Everybody there, we are give thanks for life. Yes, Jah. So this next one I'm going to play for you. We are give Jah the glory because it's possible. You know? Give Jah thanks. This next one I'm going to play for you, produced by the great Clive Hunt. Uncle Clive, I know you're stand up in the world. We give thanks to life. Also, you know, performed by the great Dennis Brown, originally by In Crowd. Check this one. Right now, we're going to the tune play now. We have top brass on the stand. Make some noise for top brass. Alright, watch out now, watch out now, watch out now. Okay, pick it up. Tell you that you don't care for the Medusa. Yes, bring forth on Medusa. In Wickie Wackie, we bring forth milk and honey dosa. What is that? That gonna be inside. Man called Randy and Trombone. Wickie Wackie, tell them about music, make some noise. Come on, come on, come on. Jah bring forth money, don't stop, Jah. Jah gonna bring forth some money, don't stop. Jah bring forth money, don't stop. Bring forth milk and honey, take away. Yes, Jah, yes, Jah. Yes, Rastafari. Yes. Stop, brass. Kick it off now. Brother Boone there. Yes, John. So, check this. Listen to tune. I never tell you, listen to tune. Musician, instrumental. Yes, Wickie Wackie. Sounds of top brass. We say, love the vibes, love the vibes. So this next one we're gonna play for you. It's a brand new track. And I have my sister inside the house also. Who, it's not a brand new track for her, but this music what we have put out, produced by 29 West. You know, Star Trail original. Big up yourself, Mr. Bell Bobo. Kick it off. Behold. Behold, I come, just a man, I come the trenches and the slums. Behold, I come, just a man, I and I. Say come to teach the youth that it's a natural thing. Seeking the truth, they let them seek from within. Come put down the blessings, Rastafari bring. Cause every king deserve a good king. And so we chant, I am to make the angels sing. Sound every jump that make the joy bells ring. With the confidence the battle already win. That's how we keep rising. Behold, I come, Rastaman. We got some works to be done. Behold, I come, Rastafari. Daughters and sons, oh yeah. Behold, I come, Rastaman. Rise from the trenches and the slums. Behold, I come, Rastafari. I and I know that I come, Jah. Take it out, low. I want to invite my sister Katie Feel out to the stage. I want to hear her sing, I want to hear her sing. Shabbat. Come true, sister, come. Make them hear your sound. Do it now.
Wickie Wackie. Now this world a woman like me, black woman, living on it soon. Sing it out. Say, black woman, ooh, black woman, like me I'm struggling through. You try to live strong, you get the heaviest blow. Put up your hands if you're a black woman. Put up your hands if you're a black woman in your life. A black mother, a black sister. Big up to you, boy. Living legend. You give me your flowers. I say, black woman, ooh, black woman. Like me, I'm struggling alone. You try to like prophets rose. You get the heavy stone. To be someone to belong, to nearing a mile and a half furlong. Don't give up now, just pray for strength now. For you I dedicate my song. La da la da la da la da la da. Ooh, 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 ooh. when parents fell took their little beds. But like Mary and like Joseph, mother of Moses too, yeah, overcame its evil devices. I dedicate this song for you. La, da, 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 ooh,
Yeah, Katie Philo. You came out, back home, and take some dance to my sister scene. What's up, sister? Yes, sir.
Greetings of love, greetings of love. Blessings, make some noise. Thank you so much, Kumar, for having me. Big up everybody who performed before. I love this amazing band. It's my first time performing here. It's a blessing to be here.
Yeah, Katie Philo. Rising star. Yes, my star.
I know, right?
So this one I'm going to play one more for you before I bring on my sister Etana. Seeing this one goes something like this. Check it. Judgment.
Oh God, I love this song. I love every song of Reggie Fire. Oh my God, Reggie Fire, you on fire. I love this song. Judgment Day. Judgment Day, baby.
God and help yourself today. On Judgment Day, I'll be playing music for the rebels. Yes, roots rock reggae music is gonna be played. On Judgment Day, can play music for the rebels. Roots rock reggae, roots rock reggae, yeah. On Judgment Day, Jimmy keep playing music for the rebels. Yes, roots rock reggae music to play sweet and yeah. On Judgment Day, Zion Rabbi play, my drum you play. Roots rock reggae music to play sweet and Wickie Wackie. My name is Kumar.
Wickie Wackie,
Love it.
give it up for the man Fyah.